Thank you, Jesus.
Welcome to today's video, beautiful pathfinders. Yes, in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you how you can preserve your aloe vera and make it to last for months or years. All right, yes, that is what we are going to be doing. And you know, the day it was harvested, because I actually bought this one from the shop, the day it was harvested, some poisonous part of it has already gone off. All right, but this one right here, it is already cleaned. You can see water all over. It is already cleaned. All right, but we are going to be getting rid of this part of it. All right, and we are going to be cleaning it up even after extracting the gel. Then after that, I will show you how I normally preserve it. Yeah. First of all, I'm going to be cutting it into two. Okay. So I'll be able to work with it on my table. And the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to cut off this part of it. So you can see how it is. So I'm going to be discarding this particular part of it. Okay. And right now I'm going to be cutting off the tip of it as well. You all know aloe vera is a very good one for your skin. Okay, it is very, very medicinal. All right, please do not consume aloe vera without prescription. Okay, as in eating it. All right, but if you want to use it for your cosmetics, yes, you all know aloe vera is a very good one for your skin. It helps to minimize sunburn. It helps to soothe your skin. Yes, it helps to clear away premature aging. It is a very good one. It reduces infection, especially skin infection, and it helps to fight against acne. It helps to lighten dark spots. Aloe vera is a very good one. So if you want to add it to your cosmetics or you want to add it to any of your skincare routine, it is a very good one. Okay, so I'm just cutting off right now the sharp edge of it, and right now I'm going to be discarding these ones as well. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be extracting the gel. All right, this is what I'm going to be doing right now, extracting the. Here I've got my bowl. Be very, very careful. You all know aloe vera gel is very, very slippery, and when you want to do this, I will advise you use a knife that is not too sharp. Just get a knife that is not too sharp so you won't hurt yourself. All right, so the first part is out of it, and I'm going to be cutting the other part. Just take it gently, gently to get rid of the skin. So as you can see, our aloe vera is neatly peeled. Aloe vera is a very powerful one, fam. Honestly, it is a very good one. If you're looking for that ingredients that will tighten up your pores, look for aloe vera. If you don't want to get old at all, look for aloe vera. So just gradually peel the skin off. As you can see, remember I said I don't want this video to be overly long. Peel off the skin. Keep peeling, keep peeling. If you're not comfortable with using a knife, You can actually use a spoon. It all depends on you. Anyone you can work with, it's fine. It's totally. Just pour water. To clean. You can actually use a lukewarm water to clean it. Okay? Make sure it is neatly prepared. Remember, you are going to be storing it for your future use. So right now I'm going to discard the water, the slimy water. So I'm going to cut it into smaller bits so it will be able to fit in the container that I'm going to be putting them. Alright, just kind of dice it the way you can see right here. Dice it, you know. I will bring out my ice cubes pack. Alright, so this is the reason why I will advise you carefully extract your aloe vera with knife. Alright, but if you are going to be extracting it with a spoon, fine. It's totally fine. You can actually just, you know, extract it with spoon, and at the end of the day you section it into how many parts you want, then before you put it in your ice cube pack. Alright, so right now I'm going to be dropping them in cubes form into the ice cube pack. Fam, you can never go wrong with this method. Your aloe vera is going to last forever, honestly. It is going to last forever. Just take a look at this. You can even bring it out like this and use it on your face. Whenever you want to blend it with any of your DIY, just bring it out from the pack and you're good to go. Cream, you can use it for your facial soap. You can use it for your skin, alright? So any one you want to do. You can even use it as a kind of cooling pack on your face. It is a very good one, fam. You can never go wrong with it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will be seeing you all in my next one. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.